Hey everyone, this is Stylist Raven. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. I am bringing you yet another Sphinx Hair tutorial. This is an 18-inch full lace wig from Sphinx Hair. You can go to sphinxhair.com to get the wig. So I did a graduated bob haircut to get a lot of texture. As you can see, all the layers are at the bottom. Some of you may refer to this as like a stacked bob, but I chose this because it just gives the wig a lot of body and fullness. I used a dual purpose bleach by Paul Mitchell using 30 developer, and I chose the foil method because lace wigs are slightly processed and you just never know what it will lift to or what its undertones will be. So this wig kind of gave me a brassy color, but it's perfect for the color that I chose for today's processing because I'm going to be using the Joico Intensity Ruby Red. So prior to any coloring service, I am just going to kind of like, brush the wig to make sure that I'm getting evenness all over. I don't have anything, that's sticking just because it is a wig and it's wet. I didn't double bleach this wig because I just didn't want to overexpose the cutex or the hair strands. So I'll just brush through and allow it to air dry. And as you can see, this is the next day. And this Sphinx Hair wig is so very soft and silky. So it really is everything to me. And it's already propped and ready to go. So here it is, the Joico Intensity line in color Ruby Red. I used 2 tubes for the length of this wig. So please don't just slap your color on. Take your time and section the hair so that you get an even amount of coverage. And I'll be honest, I had a few doubts about this Sphinx Hair when it came to processing it, but it really held up beautifully throughout the process, from bleaching to coloring. As you can see, the hair wet, it just looks amazing. There is just a lot of texture from the graduated cut that I did, and I'm going to use my blow dryer and just do a fingered textured blowout. And this is just going to add tons of volume to the style, but I am going to get my husband to hold the top of the wig so it doesn't slide off the mannequin, because this wig does come with 4 combs and the normal elastic fastener in the back, but it does not have like an elastic band, which you can add. That's optional. So I'll pull a strand for you guys to observe that there is absolutely no damage or over processing or anything like that. Some cheaper wigs, they won't hold up the same, but I'll go ahead and just let y'all look at it, so you can see for yourself. The Sphinx Hair, this is like bomb.com. So I'm going to use my absolute heat flat iron, right? And I'm going to silk out this wig. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. The color, the cut, the body, I have no complaints. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let you guys go to sphinxhair.com for all your details, for everything. Happy shopping to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.